Ang creepy.
Ayoko na. Bakit ka katawa?
Kasi you always talk about scary stuff on air and tuloy.
Kasi.
Tumatawa na tuloy in the background.
Ayun na, ayaw na.
Hala! Kasi nasa likod mo na.
Paano naman nasa likod ko? Ayun.
Whatever.
Uy, ayan. 39. Padinig ba natin sila?
Sige.
Sige, padinig natin.
Here it is. Here it is. From the podcast.
Okay. Tapos ayaw mag-play na naman. Ba't ka mo?
Ano ba
Hindi,
yan?
alam ko na. Kasi pumupog ako.
Dapat naka-data ka na lang.
Date ako.
Okay, here we go.
Ito. Wait, ang cue nyo pag sinabi ko na people person. Okay?
Before the word person.
Kailangan mo ng a people person.
Yeah. It's legit! It sounds like a laugh talaga.
I don't like.
Tsaka ba't ka...
Tsaka meron ganun.
Parang ang creepy.
Anyway, alam mo, let's shake it off. Spencer says, isang mapagpalayang umaga sa mga gandang DJs at rushers. Maaari po ba magpa-tambourine birthday song sa mother-in-law ko celebrating her 73rd birthday?
Wow!
And my nephew Sean for his 15th birthday.
So, mother... What's the name of the mother?
Walang sinabi.
Mother and Sean.
Mother and Sean.
Okay.
Mother and Sean.
Mother! Hindi mother and daughter. Mother and Sean.
I can't.
Okay, let's
Mother
do
and
it.
Sean. Sige. Okay, go. It's somebody's birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Mother and Sean.
Wishes. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mother and Sean. I get it, Mother and Sean. Parang yung kanta ni Taylor Swift tsaka ni Post Malone. Hindi siya first night, hindi siya second night, hindi siya third night. Fourth
Fourth.
night. Anyway, that's it for
Okay.
grades.
So here we go. We've got our top 10 for today. First one?
Yeah, we
Okay.
can do two.
Okay, so thanking Mac MJ Mark for the topic. Man. Let's start off with Al Macchiato.
Number 10.
Pinapalaya na kita. I'm getting tired of fighting a losing battle on my I mean, it's bad enough when things are not going well.
But when you're the only one trying to make it work,
Kasi alam mo, kunyari you're both trying to make it work. Pero it's just not happening. At least nakita mo na dalawa kayong lumalaban. Pag yun talaga ikaw na lang.
what's the point?
Why then?
When the other person's already given up. Parang,
Right?
na lang.
That's really frustrating.
Yeah.
From Galactus Intolerance,
Number 9.
pinapalaya na kita. Genie, my last wish is for your freedom. From Al.
Wow.
Ang galing, no? Yung parang instead of just having 3 wishes for yourself, yung final wish mo is for Genie to be free.
Tsaka parang feeling ko very smart move yun. Kasi in case may sinister plan si Genie, di ba minsan ganon
Yeah.
yung parang 3 wishes mo tutuparin pero may catch.
Meron ka.
Oo. At least pag parang bigla ka nagbigay ng selfless wish na, okay, I wish for your freedom.
Right? Kasi,
Baka naman hindi ka na niya, alam mo, i-dog show sa
tsaka
mga
at
wish.
least, may dalawa ka naman.
Yeah.
Diba? So yung isa, bigay mo na para hindi na siya enslaved by whoever picks up the lamp next.
Tsaka I'm guessing most people will probably like wish for more wishes first wish pa.
Alam ko may
Bawal ba yun?
Yan, bawal yun. You can't wish for more wishes. Kasi the wish is
Defeats the
for
purpose.
3.
Ah.
Hindi, so parang wala siyang loophole.
Sige, ikaw, ano yung 3 wishes mo?
Parang kanta ng Apple. Money, money,
Same.
money. And from Adventure,
Number 8.
pinapalaya na kita. Pero in Adventure's case, pinapalaya ko na kayo lahat ng damit kong size 29. At pantalon, tanggap ko na. Yung medium kong damit at size 29 na pantalon.
Let
Tanggap
go
ko
na.
na size XL na ako at 34.
Alam mo, ano din yan, it's also good for you because you're gonna free up space like in your closet and then you can make room for clothes that fit you better.
At saka yung just infinitely more comfortable.
Also, isipin mo na lang na, you know, if you do lose weight in the future and then may excuse ka to go shopping.
Exactly.
Like for, diba, your size.
I just
your
feel so
future
bad.
size.
Kasi right after, alam ko kaka-upgrade, hindi ma-upgrade, but more like ang dami kong biniling bagong shirts before the pandemic. And it was during the pandemic that I gained so much weight. So literally, halos hindi ko pa siya nasusuot. Tapos nag-pandemic, so hindi tayo lumalabas. So alam mo yun, like literally, halos once or twice ko lang sila nasuot. Tapos kailangan ko nang bumili ng mas malaking size. So frustrating.
Tsaka yung ano yun, yung wetsuit mo na oversized.
What? Ko na oversized.
I can't put oversized
I
wetsuit.
can't. At least baggy yung wetsuit.
The only person I know nagsusuot ng baggy
Baggy
na
na
wetsuit.
Ang sikip kaya, ang hirap-hirap. And from Coco Hernandez,
Number 7. Number 7.
pinapalaya na kita. Sabi ni Coco, pinatawad na kita. Ngayon naman, papalayain na kita.
Also,
Magkaiba
those
yun,
are
ha?
different things.
Sometimes you let people go without forgiving them. And sometimes you forgive people
Without letting them go.
So now that I have forgiven you, the next step is to let you go.
Minsan, kasi pag hindi mo mapatawad, you don't wanna let them go because you wanna punish them.
Yeah.
And that's why you're keeping them. Diba? Parang, okay, you did that. Sige.
Diba? And from Tampupu,
Number 6. Number 6.
pinapalaya na kita. Official. Kahit alam kong di naman naging hadlang yung relasyon natin sa kalayaan. Parang, you know, like, you are free. It's not like you're not. But let's make it official.
Yeah, there's something to that then.
Diba?
Na parang
Parang yung ano, diba?
malinis. Kumbaga, it's all official.
Diba
Yeah.
kahit yung I love you? Diba yung parang like, you remember that ano nga, Fiddler on the Roof song?
Which one?
But do you love me? Look, would I have married you? Would I have stayed with you? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, but
Why don't you
love
just say it?
Diba?
Yeah.
Of course I know, but say it. I want you to say it.
I hate it when people do that. Yung
Yeah.
parang they will basically state all the reasons except say what you really want to hear, which is I love you.
And the conversation would have been over a long time ago.
Exactly.
Yes, I love you.
You didn't have to go through all the details. I just wanted to hear I love you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And from the cynical optimist,
Number 5. Number 5.
pinapalaya na kita kasi mukhang influential yung padrino.
Ay,
Ito yung literal.
nako, hindi okay yan Oh my gosh, yung mga biglang mawawala at night. Diba ganun yung mga, the movies
Sa
at least.
quote-unquote, naka-escape.
Naka-escape or biglang na-dead, diba? Minsan yun yung press release, pero
actually buhay pa sila.
pinatakas.
And from Chichi Chronicles,
Number 4. Number 4.
pinapalaya na kita. 5 taon din. Marami tayong nagawa together. Marami tayong pinagsamahan. Pero wala eh. Sumuko ka na. Salamat lang.
Well, siguro after, I would say, maybe 5 years max.